Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through my full weekly grocery haul and meal prep. No strict diets, no fancy cooking, just real nourishing meals that support your health and fit into your busy life. Part 1. The grocery haul. What I bought this week. Let's head into the grocery haul. I like to keep things simple. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods that are easy to prep and taste great. 1. Vegetables. Half of my cart. Broccoli, spinach, carrots, sweet potatoes, zucchini. These are full of fiber, vitamins, and make your plate colorful and satisfying. 2. Fruits. Nature's candy. Bananas, apples, frozen mixed berries, oranges. Perfect for snacking, smoothies, or adding natural sweetness to breakfast. 3. Proteins. Lean and plant-based options. Chicken breast, tofu, eggs, canned chickpeas, Greek yogurt. Protein helps with satiety, energy, and muscle recovery. 4. Carbs. Whole and slow digesting. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, whole wheat pasta. These provide long-lasting fuel and keep blood sugar stable. 5. Healthy fats and extras. Avocados, olive oil, nut butter, chia seeds, dark chocolate. Healthy fats are essential for brain function and hormonal balance. I always check food labels, especially for added sugars or preservatives. And yes, frozen produce is still packed with nutrients. Part 2. Simple meal planning. Before I start cooking, I map out a basic meal plan. It helps reduce food waste, makes decisions easier, and keeps me on track with my goals. I keep it flexible. Some days I swap lunch and dinner or throw in a smoothie if I need something quick. Part 3. Meal prep time. Now it's time to prep. I usually spend about 1-2 hours on Sundays to get everything ready. Step 1. Cook your grains. Brown rice and quinoa go into 2 separate pots. While they're cooking, I move on to veggies. Step 2. Chop and roast the vegetables. Toss broccoli, zucchini, carrots in olive oil, salt, pepper. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Roasting brings out natural sweetness and adds a nice crunch. Step 3. Prepare proteins. Grilled chicken with garlic, lemon, herbs. Bake tofu cubes with soy sauce and sesame oil. I also boil a few eggs and prep chickpea salad for variety. Step 4. Make quick breakfasts. Overnight oats. Oats plus chia, plus almond milk, plus berries. It's quick, filling, and ready when I wake up. Part 4. Portioning and storage. Once everything is cooked, I build the meals and store them in containers, usually enough for 4 or 5 days. Box 1. Grilled chicken plus quinoa plus roasted broccoli. Box 2. Baked tofu plus brown rice plus sautéed spinach. Box 3. Whole wheat pasta plus chickpeas plus zucchini. Snack box. Boiled egg plus apple slices plus almond butter. Breakfast jar. Overnight oats plus banana plus chia seeds. Label your containers by day or meal type. It makes grabbing and going so much easier. Part 5. Tips to stay on track all week. Here are 3 tips that helped me stick to healthy eating without stress. 1. Prep just 3-4 days ahead. Food stays fresh and you avoid burnout. 2. Switch up sauces and spices. Even small changes like tahini versus lemon vinaigrette make the same base taste brand new. 3. Make it visually appealing. We eat with our eyes first. A colorful plate is usually a more nutritious one. Part 6. Final thoughts and encouragement. You don't have to be perfect to eat well. Just a little planning and some time in the kitchen can transform your energy, mood, and health. Start where you are. Even prepping 2 meals is a step forward. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share it with someone who's ready to eat better, and hit subscribe for more easy, healthy lifestyle videos.